Hi, happy Easter. So today I'm making a little Easter pudding, and I call it a carrot patch. So we're going to begin with 3 ounces of chocolate jello, 2 cups of whole milk, fresh strawberries, as well as white dipping chocolate and Oreos. I also have a little food coloring because I'm going to turn these strawberries into carrots. I'm taking 4 ounces of the white chocolate, and this is going to melt in the microwave. Basically, you're going to put it on 30 seconds for half power until you're able to stir it. I'm adding the red food coloring and then several drops of yellow food coloring until it becomes this carrot orange color, and I'm going to set that aside. Next, I'm taking my strawberries, which I have rinsed off and dried off, and I've dipped them into the chocolate and then placed them on parchment paper. So I've left the green stems on so it looks like carrot leaves, and I'm letting those dry while I begin the pudding. So this is just an instant pudding. So I'm taking 2 cups of whole milk and I'm adding it to the pudding mix, and then I'm going to stir. Now you can use your blender. I just used a fork and mix this pudding until it was ready to go. And I transferred it into 2 ramekins and put that in the refrigerator. Next, I've taken about 12 cookies and I placed them in my blender because I'm just going to crush those up until they are very fine and they look like dirt. So this is what they look like when it's done. I'm transferring this cookie mixture on top of the pudding cups so it looks like a carrot patch. And then next, I'm going to take my dried strawberries and add them to this carrot patch, and there you have it. It's an Easter carrot patch pudding.